Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Karthik, and in today's video we'll do the topic rational numbers. But before starting the rationalization and other things, we have to first learn all the identities. So let me tell you, this chapter is of related to class 9th, and we study identities also in this chapter. So you have to listen these carefully, or you won't be able to do all the questions of this chapter. So let's start. Firstly, identity x plus y whole square. You might have done these three identities in your class 8th. Firstly, start x plus y whole square equal to x square plus y square plus 2xy. Let's take a instead of variable x equal to 2, y equal to 3. So x plus y whole square, you have to take identity like x square means 2 square, 2xy means 2 into 2 into 3 plus y square 3 square. We have to apply means the variables. No, we have to apply these constant instead of these variables. If given, otherwise no need. Next, x minus y whole square, x square minus 2xy plus y square, means only the symbol will change of minus. X square minus y square, firstly we will add both of them, then multiplied by, then we will subtract both of them. X plus y, x minus y. Okay. Now next, x plus y whole cube. So it will be x cube plus y cube plus 3xy multiplied by x plus y. In some books you might find it written x cube plus y cube plus 3x square y plus 3xy square. It is because it is just simplified. 3xy into x equal to 3x square y, 3xy into y equal to 3xy square, and add symbol is already there. Now x minus y whole cube, it will be x cube minus y cube minus 3xy into x minus y, means everything will be in minus. Now this is the identity. You have to learn this very carefully. If x plus y plus z equals 0, then x cube plus y cube plus z cube equal to 3xyz. Okay, so let's take an example. X equal to minus 1, y equal to minus 2, z equal to 3. So x plus y plus z means minus 1 plus minus 2 plus 3. It will be 3 minus 3 means 0. So if x cube plus y cube plus z cube, meaning minus 1 cube plus minus 2 cube plus 3 cube, it will be 3 into minus 1 into minus 2 into 3. Okay, so learn this. Let me repeat it. If x plus y plus z equal to 0, then x cube plus y cube plus z cube will be 3xyz. Okay, understood? Now let's come to our next identity, x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. Okay, equals x plus y plus z, x square plus xy plus x square plus y square plus z square minus xy yz zx. Okay, so it will be firstly x plus y plus z in a bracket, we'll close them, multiplied by x square plus y square plus z square, meaning the square of these, minus xy minus yz minus zx, meaning minus xy minus yz minus zx. Okay, now our next identity, x plus y plus z whole square. It will be x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx. Let me repeat. If x plus y plus z whole square, x square plus y square plus zx, z square plus 2xy plus 2xyz plus 2zx. Okay. And now let's come to our third identity. It is x cube plus y cube. Don't think that these both are same. These both are so much different, because in this we have to cube both of them and then add, but in this we have to add them and then do its cube. Okay, let's suppose if x is 1 and y is 2, x is equal to 1 cube equal to 1, and y cube equal to 2 cube equal to 8. 2 plus 1 equal to 8 plus 1 9, and in this 1 and 2 equal is, it will be y is 2, x is 1, 2 plus 1 3, and 3 cube it will be 27. So they both are so much different. Okay, so let's come to our again in this one. X plus y, x cube plus y cube, it will be x plus y in bracket, then x square minus xy plus y square. Let me repeat, x plus y in bracket multiplied by bracket x square plus y square minus xy. Okay, in now let's come to our next identity, which is x cube minus y cube. It will be x minus y, x square plus xy plus y square, means only we have to shift this symbol here and this here. Okay, just replace first symbol and second symbol. Okay, so now let's come to our rationalization topic. So friends, let's come to our next topic, rationalization. It is in the chapter rational numbers only, but it can be explained by any formulas or there is nothing. We just have to do questions of it. So firstly 1 by root 7. What can we write it as? Root 7 upon root 7. Why I am multiplying both of these? Why? Because you know that we cannot multiply any number or it will change its value, but you can see these both can be cut, and it will, what will it become? It will become like 1, and 1 by root 7 multiplied by 1 will be just as 1 by root 7 only. So we can multiply root 7 into root 7, it will be 1 into root 7 will be root 7 as it is, upon root 7 into root 7 it will be 7. So the answer will be root 7 upon 7. So don't get confused, we have other examples also, like we have to take the same number as the denominator. But if there are two like this, I'll explain you what you have to do in this, just not we have to keep as it is. Okay, so let's come to our this question firstly. So as I told you that we have to take our new denominator only. So 2 root 3 divided by 2 root 3. Okay, so 2 root 3 into 2 root 3, it will be it will be 3 into 4. Okay, and 2 root 3 into 5, 3 5 the 15. Sorry, it will be 2 root 15 upon 2 root 3 into 2 root 3, it will be 4 into 3, which will be 12. Okay, so now see, 2 will be cut by 12 will be cut by 2 6 times. So our answer will be 15 upon 6, root 15 by 6. And if you like leave the answer this only, 2 root 15 upon, if you leave your answer 2 root 15 divided by 12, so it will be considered wrong, because rational numbers are the numbers which are simplified to its last, not only in between. It won't be considered as a rational number if the other two numbers are getting cut. Okay, so now let's come to our this question. You will think that we have to just write 2 plus root 3 upon 2 plus root 3, but it would be wrong, because you have to change the symbol. Why? Because there was no change in symbol, so you are confused, because there was no two numbers, but here are two numbers, so you will have to change. Okay, so now see 2, so 2 plus root 3, 2 minus root 3. What is the identity become? A plus b, a minus b equal to 2 square minus root 3 square. I told you no, a square minus b square. Now come to our numerator. What it is? 1 into 2 minus root 3, it will remain 2, sorry, 2 minus root 3. Okay, so 2 square equal to 4 and 3 root 3 square equal to 3. So 4 minus 3, the denominator will become 1. 2 minus root 3 upon 1, which will be 2 minus root 3 only. So okay, if the answer it is in MCQ, so you don't have to solve. If it is 1 by 2 plus root 3, so it will become 2 minus root 3, and you just have to change the symbol after reciprocaling. I just told you this whole process for like if you have written exam in 9th. But if you give some Olympiads or something, don't waste your time in calculation. Just like reciprocal it and change the symbol. Okay. Now come to our next question. 3 minus 2 root 2, 3 plus 2 root 2. It is confusing now, but I'm here, so no need to fear. I told you in denominator, no need to like put the same symbol. So you have to change the symbol, no? 3 plus, sorry, I did the same thing. 3 minus 2 root 2 upon 3 minus 2 root 2. Or if the denominator and numerator are of different symbols, so you just put the numerator here. Okay. 3 minus 2 root 2 into 3 minus 2 root 2, it will become 3 minus 2 root 2 whole square divided by 3 plus 2 root 2, 3 minus 2 root 2. It will become 3 square minus 2 root 2 square. Okay. What will it become? 3 minus 2 root 2 square equal to 3 square, which is 9. 2 root 2 square, which is 8, minus 2x x square y square minus 2xy, minus 2 into 3 into 2 root 2. Okay. Upon we were having 3 square 9 minus 2 root 2 square 8, which will become 1. Now let's erase this one part. So I'll do the next steps here. Okay. 9 plus 8, 9 to the 8 is 17, है ना? 17 into 2 3 is 6, 6 into 2 12 root 2 minus 12 root 2 divided by 1. So our answer will become 17 minus 12 root 2. Okay friends, in next you might have understood this rationalization. I hope you understood the identities also. So friends, in next videos we'll do the longer questions of this chapter, rational numbers. Hence it is 9th, so it won't be as same as 8th and 7th class chapter rational number. It is different because you have to learn rationalization also. Okay, in next video we'll do long questions. So till then, bye bye.